In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find work-from-home jobs on Indeed. Indeed is a popular platform for job seekers, and finding remote work can be a seamless process with the right guidance. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of this powerful tool. First things first, to start your job search, go ahead and open your Indeed dashboard. You'll see a prominently displayed search bar. This is your gateway to a world of job opportunities. It should say something like job title, keywords, or company. This is where you'll enter the role you're interested in. For instance, if you're looking for a position as a customer service representative, type that into the bar. It's also a good idea to input any relevant keywords that relate to the type of job you're seeking. Next, we're not just focusing on the role. Location is crucial here. However, since we're looking for remote jobs, you might be wondering about the best way to handle this section. Instead of entering a specific city or area, you can simply type in remote or work from home as the location. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the Find Jobs button. When your search results populate, take a moment to scan through them. The key here is to keep an eye out for listings that specify work from home. Most job postings will indicate whether they offer remote work options right in the job summary or title. This is incredibly handy because it allows you to quickly identify potential positions that match your criteria without having to click through every single posting. As you look through the job results, keep an eye out for any additional details that speak to the flexibility of the role. Sometimes, a job might list hybrid or flexible work arrangements, which means you might have options for a mix of remote and in-office work. If full-time remote work is what you're after, be sure to note the language used in the description to ensure it matches your expectations. Remember to leverage Indeed's filters. On the left-hand side of the page, you can apply filters to narrow down your search even further. These filters allow you to specify your search by salary, company, job type, and even the date the job was posted. Such filters can be immensely helpful in honing in on exactly what you're looking for. As you explore opportunities, take notes on which roles really pique your interest. Consider creating a short list of jobs you'd like to apply for. With these insights and strategies at your disposal, navigating Indeed for work-from-home jobs should be straightforward and effective. So go ahead, give it a try, and start your journey to finding the perfect remote job today.